Right, let's get that stick. Chuck me a knife. Thanks. That's it.
How are you gonna get down? Alright, start getting down. Whoa. Where are you?
What do you mean? I'm right here.
Oh.
Yeah, hello. Today we're at Kakadoko Warragamba Park and we're looking for the yellow monkey. Alright? All we know about him
He's fierce.
and he's yellow. Alright, mate?
That's about it. We're gonna find him.
So let's go.
Hello. Got my stick.
And I got mine.
We need to sharpen this to catch the yellow monkey. He can be around us at any second.
We got to stab him in the head.
Over here, I got myself a knife, and we're just gonna be sharpening it, alright? Look how sharp this is, mate. Look at it. I just made a hole in the tree.
I'm just chopping off some bark.
See how it's slight distinctive of yellow? This can also be the yellow monkey.
You never know, he could be anything.
He could be anything.
We have not seen him on this trip so far.
Not at all. Can you smell that?
Yeah, it's rice, mate.
It's noodles.
No. I know my food. It is definitely rice.
Whoa.
Whoa, fresh water.
Come over here, mate.
Oh, this is very simple. Oh, we see the rice with cheese. Get your knife. The trail.
Is that rice?
Right,
That's rice.
this is definitely.
That's rice, mate. There's a trail. We found some evidence on the phone.
From before.
Let's have a look at it. Right here, we found the yellow monkey.
And his forest.
Over there, he was taking a shower. Look at that. Wet rice.
Tastes like rice.
Alright, now we're going to find the yellow monkey's habitat. And to find him, it's a distinctive smell of rice. Look at our sniffer dog over here, Max. Alright, Max, go find some rice. Stand back, mate. Alright, I think we found his habitat. Come over here. It's over here. We found it. Pass the camera, mate. We found his habitat. Rice. His favourite food, and what he gets out. Setting trailer with rice. We have some noodles over here that we found in the wild. You can get these from any type of trees. The yellow monkeys just love them. See? Simple. So we got our noodles over here. We're just gonna place it underneath the box. Got some noodles over there. Cameraman.
Alright. As you can see, when the yellow monkey enters the box, we'll fall down and we will have him caught. Alright.
Next break, we will catch the yellow monkey. I've just woke up and it seems that we've lost Max. He could be anywhere. Alright? But right now, I'm more worried about the yellow monkey instead of Max. Yet he is my best friend. We need to find the yellow monkey. Let's find him. Alright. The trap is moving. Let's lift him up. Go. Max, what are you doing?
What? I'm hungry.
You're eating noodles, seriously? Alright guys, we found Max.
I'm sorry, I was just
He's
hungry.
in the
Fuck.
trap eating noodles.
We spotted the yellow monkey. We're gonna lure him with rice. He seems to be brushing his teeth. Here we go.
I wonder where Max is. What happened to your hand, Max?
The yellow monkey bit it.
The yellow monkey bit his hand.
Serious pain.
He's in serious
But I don't think
pain.
I broke any bones.
He didn't break any bones.
G'day, mate.
Now, we've given up most hope. Apart from,
Oh, that's him.
get in!
Got him. Putting him down now. This is where we're gonna bury him.
We're covering him with cardboard right now.
Rest in peace, yellow monkey. Till next time on Bear Grylls Adventure.
Go.
Chuck me an eye. Chuck me an eye. Chuck me an eye. Chuck me an eye. Chuck me an eye.
Look. Yeah, hello. Today, we're gonna find a yellow monkey. Alright? Yellow monkey.
We're looking through some evidence.
We might
Before. We might have found. Please, we're trying to concentrate. I don't give a He's got his own legs. He can walk.
So we got our own food eater, or this is Max making his box. As you can see, it's a very large box. Oh look, it's a yellow monkey. What's he doing?
You recording this?
Oh, that was horrible. He can't come out now.
I'll put it on my bag. I'll put it on my bag.
Help me up.
No, you have to tomato sauce on the face.
Slowly.
Yes! Got him!
Okay, you got me, guys. Good job. Good job.